That what?
I've never done that before. We're gonna go fly an airplane.
We're gonna fly an airplane.
Green tea matcha latte.
Boop.
I would like it. Drink though.
Made it to the port.
Twin engine, the one on the right side. It hit a deer the other day. Literally, it hit a deer and it chopped it up into a billion little pieces. I'll show you what we did.
Okay. Nice. Oh, it's just a little baby. Oh, it's gonna be like a giant, big old. Going?
Yeah.
Alright guys, here with my dad at the airport, name of Dang. We're gonna fly an airplane. Dad's never flown a plane for me in whole life. That made sense. He's never piloted plane that I ride.
So we're gonna try it.
Yeah.
Give it a whirl. Let's go, girl. Which plane we gonna take?
Probably cherry red.
Cherry red? I don't have a cherry red. How about the Piper right behind you? Tomahawk. I will show you.
Tastes like?
Blech.
Tastes like
Are you really?
Cherry red.
No.
Okay guys, about to show you my moves. There's right here.
Yep, just right there.
Oh.
You get to fly today.
Oh shoot, wait, dude.
Yep. Oh.
Ah. Okay, that's good.
I didn't see anything.
Okay, good. I got shorts on underneath. We're good, we're good. What buttons go? I don't know how to fly a plane, guys.
You plug the small one in there, the big one. There's.
Way from here.
Okay, so
Cool.
yeah, slide your seat forward a little bit.
How do I do that?
Okay, there's a handle underneath here, like a lever.
Ah!
So pull it up and then slide.
Ah!
Okay.
Can I talk to the people on
Yeah,
the
you
other
can.
airports?
Down, up, down. Left, right, left. We've already checked the right wing, prop, air inlets, oil, dipstick, put oil in it, alternator belt,
dipstick.
cowling. Just like that, and then you latch it down. Okay. Latch it in, just to lock us, so we can't. Parking brake set. Clear prop. Oh, come on, baby.
Come on, Blackjack.
Oh, battery, come on. Oh no, tell me the battery should not. Come on, baby. I cannot believe the battery's dead. Are you freaking kidding me?
Oh.
It hasn't been flown in a month and a half, so dang it. We need a battery charger, I think.
What do we do about that?
Okay guys, now we have like one of two choices. We either had to find a battery charger to charge the battery of the plane, or go home. Well, actually, we actually had three choices. The third choice was to do something my dad's never done before, which is manually start the baby up. I don't actually know what that's called. I just named it that. He left and he was like, Madalyn, keep your feet on the brakes. And I was like, oh, okay.
Who is that?
They're waiting for someone to fly in.
Yeah?
Get her going on there. Does it work?
Here. Oh wait, and this needs to be on.
Oh gosh. Get her go. Come on, big guy. I
can't believe that worked. Oh my god.
What?
That was awesome.
That what?
I've never done that before.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah! Charge that battery, baby.
Yeah. Wait, are we taking off or getting gas?
We're just gonna get gas.
Oh, we're getting gas, guys. Okay. He's running over to get his phone. Come on, buddy. Calling someone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we haven't. I had to get gas. We started up. What? Got it outside and all working. It's ready to go.
Oh, yay! Yeah.
Start up pretty quickly here.
Is this like the real deal?
This is the real deal.
Is our real deal?
You turn it right on. Brakes are set. Throttle half open. Clear prop.
Oh.
Yep. Green is good.
I feel like a fly boy. I like how our voices are coming into it. That's cool. They're like, hey guys.
November. That's actually runway 24 and runway 31.
Alright guys, we're about to get going. We're gonna go on the runway. We're gonna take off and we're gonna go up in the air, guys. Up in the sky.
And then I was gonna tell the traffic what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tell traffic what I'm gonna do. Okay.
Oh. So Dad said, tell him what we're gonna do. And I thought he meant to my YouTube fans.
So don't talk when I push the button. Okay.
Oh my gosh. After 7 minutes and 25 seconds of you watching this video, we're finally taking off. That is what I said I'd do in this video, so enjoy. Very smooth takeoff, was not bumpy at all. Very much enjoyed that. Wasn't scary. That was a golf course. Oh, look, it's the high school that I go to. Wow, school. Okay. Hay bales. Anytime we saw something cool, Dad would lean the plane, and I felt like I was gonna throw up. So that was cool. Dad just turned off the plane. Yeah, Dad turned off the plane, so we're just floating on the air. Let's turn the plane back on, please. So then randomly Dad was like, hey, you want to control the plane? I was like, no. Well, he just stopped controlling it, so I had to control it. I was slightly going up the entire time, which was really scary, and he had to tell me to like go back down again because I was going up too high. But he thought it was really cool that I was flying the plane. I did not think it was very cool. See, he's telling me to go back down. I did not like this at all. This is right where we got pulled over by the boat police. And then we became convicts.
Not really.
Golden hour and the lighting was really good, so I had to film some stuff with my phone. Kind of maybe a little bit felt like gonna throw up, but I acted like I was okay. What are we looking at? Oh, we're looking at the lake over there. Okay.
while landing, we discovered that the brake doesn't work very well and that our radio wasn't working the entire time.
That's fine.
Whoa, it sounds really weird without these on.
Did you get sick?
Oh, okay. Hubba.
So plenty of footage though, right?
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think you'll be good. Yeah. Yeah, you're good.
Sure.
Yeah.
Lightweight. Real good.
Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And if you made it to the end of the video, you are awarded the award that I gave you that says you're a cool guy. You got the cool guy award. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Scuba gear.
Peace out.